Mostly it's just down trees now. I think they exaggerated a lot on the news. This is all waterfront area, so we kind of expected that to flood.
Well, the area has a lot less landscape. The trees have been trimmed. The boats have all been put on top of each other. Many of the dock and marina have been lifted and stacked. The streets have been cluttered. But we're very lucky. We didn't actually get a direct hit.
We were inside the house in another room, and we felt like a big, like a bomb on top of the roof. And then after a while, we realized that it was a tree that had come over, onto the roof and caused that damage. Power is gone since yesterday about noontime, and it won't be back, I guess, for a couple of years. It normally takes a few days to restore. We're waiting for the experts to come, the roof technicians and the insurance company to take care of whatever they may take care of. But most important thing is that we're safe.